everyone! Today I'll show you how to make big vegan orecchiette pasta from scratch. And we need semolina flour, smooth beetroot puree, olive oil, fork. Let's begin. First, pour 100 g of semolina flour onto your work surface. Make a well in the center. Add 30 g of beetroot puree. Into the well, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Use a fork to mix the wet ingredients, slowly bringing the flour into the center. Keep mixing until it starts forming a dough. When it becomes too thick for the fork, use your hands to bring the dough together. If it's too dry, add a little bit of water, 1 spoon at one time. You can also use bench scrubber to take everything into one. And now, knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. Push, fold, and turn the dough until it's smooth and soft. When the dough feels ready, cover it with any plate you have in the kitchen and let it rest for 30 minutes. This makes it easier to shape. After resting, take a small piece of dough and roll it into a thin rope, about the thickness of a pencil. Cut the rope into small pieces, about the size of the chickpea. Take one piece and, using the sharp side of your knife, push and drag to flatten the dough to create a curve. Then flip the piece over the trunk to form a little cup. That's the orecchiette shape. Repeat this with all the pieces. Place the orecchiette on the board with some flour to prevent sticking. If you're not cooking now, let it dry for late. If you want to eat it now, boil in salted water for 2-3 minutes. And here is beautiful pink vegan orecchiette pasta. Pair it with your favorite sauce and it's ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more fun Italian pasta recipes. See you next time. Cheers!